Supply chain attacks, the ultimate domino effect. Welcome back, fellow cyber adventurers. Today, we're diving deep into the wild world of cybersecurity to explore a topic that's been making headlines lately. Supply chain attacks. Imagine this: you trust a company with your data, your secrets, your cat videos, and then bam! They get hacked. But wait, it's not just them. It's like a cyber dominoes game where one attack knocks down the whole row. That's a supply chain attack for you. So, what exactly are supply chain attacks? Well, it's like this. Imagine you're making a pizza. You buy the dough from one place, the cheese from another, the sauce from yet another. And if someone sneaks some funky stuff into one of those ingredients, guess what? Your pizza party is ruined. Same goes for software and services. When attackers target a company's suppliers or partners and inject malicious code or backdoors into their products, it's game over for everyone downstream. So, how do we defend against these sneaky attacks? Well, it's like playing detective. Companies need to vet their suppliers, keep a close eye on their software updates, and maybe even give them a cybersecurity makeover. But hey, let's not forget to give credit where credit is due. These supply chain attacks might be scary, but they're also a testament to the interconnectedness of our digital world. It's like a big cyber spider web, with each thread connecting us all. So there you have it, folks. Supply chain attacks, the ultimate cyber adventure where one link can break the chain. Until next time, stay safe, stay cyber savvy, and keep on adventuring. Contact TandT LLC now to assess your cybersecurity needs, develop tailored solutions, and fortify your defenses against online threats. Let's collaborate to build a safer and more robust digital environment. Subscribe today.